not just a figure of speech, but a literal, living metropolis, buzzing with trillions of workers, interconnected highways, power plants, sanitation units, and security patrols. It's more organized than any government, more responsive than any tech, and more resilient than we give it credit for. But most people? They have no idea how it truly works. They live inside it, yet remain blind to the genius behind the scenes. Today, you'll walk through the truth of the human body like you've never seen it before. Imagine this. Every second of every day, 37 trillion cells are at work in you right now. Each one is carrying out its task with microscopic precision. You're not just a person, you're a walking, breathing superorganism. Your body is made up of 11 complex systems, each functioning like a department in a high-tech company. Your lungs bring in oxygen, your heart pumps it through blood highways. Your digestive system breaks food into energy, your brain commands operations from the top. Your immune system stands at the gate, watching for invaders. And together, they run the most complex organism on Earth, you. Start with the heart. It beats more than 100,000 times every single day. That's your engine. It pumps blood through over 60,000 miles of vessels, long enough to circle the globe twice. Blood is the courier. It delivers oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and warmth. It carries waste, like carbon dioxide, out the back door to be exhaled. And it does this silently, without fail, unless something goes wrong. Then there are your lungs, your air supply. Every breath you take brings oxygen into your bloodstream and releases carbon dioxide. Inside those lungs are tiny sacs called alveoli, millions of them. Each one is a checkpoint where your blood and breath trade cargo. You breathe more than 22,000 times a day. Most of the time, you don't even realize it. That's because your autonomic nervous system, the behind-the-scenes manager, makes sure you don't forget how to breathe. And what about energy? You eat a meal, and hours later, you're moving, thinking, living. That's digestion. The food goes down your throat, hits your stomach, and is broken into nutrients, sugars, amino acids, fatty acids. Your stomach uses acid and enzymes to shred it. Your small intestine absorbs the good stuff, your liver processes it, and your pancreas helps regulate your blood sugar. Even your gut bacteria help out, breaking down what you can't. Everything is designed to convert fuel into power. Now let's talk about the real boss, the brain. 86 billion neurons. That's what you're working with. Your brain controls movement, memory, speech, emotions, even your sense of self. It fires off commands at up to 250 miles per hour. When you touch something hot, feel love, or have a brilliant idea, that's the brain at work. And while you sleep, it replays memories, clears toxins, and resets for the next day. But not everything in your body is about creation. Some of it is about defense. Enter the immune system. It's your personal army. White blood cells patrol every inch of your blood vessels, looking for invaders. If they find something, virus, bacteria, cancer cells, they attack without hesitation. Your body will literally raise your temperature to burn out intruders. And when vaccines are introduced, they train your body in advance, like a military drill, so that when the real enemy comes, you're ready. But what happens when it breaks down? That's when we see disease. Blocked arteries cut off blood. Cells go rogue and multiply, cancer. An overactive immune system? That's autoimmune disease. Weak immune defenses? You're open to every common cold and flu. The machine is beautiful, but it's not invincible. And that's why you have to protect it, with sleep, with nutrition, with awareness. And all of this, every intricate detail, begins with one cell. One. A fertilized egg, carrying a code more advanced than anything mankind has ever written. Your DNA. From that single cell came a full-grown you. Everything that you are, your heart, your lungs, your smile, your memories, it's all encoded. Hidden in that tiny spiral of life. So pause and marvel. You are not just skin and bones. You are an ecosystem. A city of miracles. A masterpiece of biology in motion. If this opened your eyes even a little, if it sparked your curiosity or gave you a new respect for the body you live in, then subscribe to OM3GAR Bio-Edutainment Hub. Share this with someone who deserves to know just how extraordinary their body really is. Because biology isn't boring. Biology is you.